Hey guys, welcome back. So today we've got the new C54, the Toyota Land Cruiser 80, and we're running that on a C24KM chassis. We've got the RES-V3 all-in-one electronics kit in there, so that's sound module, winch, lights. Yeah, that thing's an awesome piece of kit. We've got the new V4 wheels and tyres, so it's going to be good to test those. We've had a lot of downpour lately, so my usual route where I start up here and come down the trees and across, this is a bit too deep today, and so is the rocky riverbed. So we're going to be taking some new lines today, and yeah, we're going to put this 100% WPL truck to the test. There is plenty of room under the hood for the V3, and currently I've only got it hooked up to the gear change servo for the 2-speed. I've got the speaker plugged in, and then all the basic controls then. So I've got the receiver here, flashing, push the bind button, and then it's binded to car 1. If we give this a tap, it starts the engine. We've got 3 different volumes, so we've got off, quiet, medium, high. I think I'll leave it on quiet for today. And yeah, what an awesome piece of kit. So yeah, let's hit the trail. The slow control factor with this V3 is phenomenal. You can really, look how slow you can creep this truck. I'm very impressed with the way this thing handles. Taking some different lines today, as our usual route's a bit waterlogged. That's not going to stop us having fun. This is so smooth and controlled. Slowly does it there. There's a gap in the roots there that you can't quite see because it's full of leaves. But yeah, this thing is a really nice piece of kit. It is amazing how going super slow and controlled just let those new tyres do the work. Got a bit of an easy trail here. I'm going to pop it into second gear. And I'll pick up some wheel speed there. So second gear is ideal for this easier flat terrain. Nice aspect of control as well in the second gear. A bit of a drop down now. I'm going to click it back into first gear. I'm going to creep down this hill. So this has got active descent control, so you hold the throttle a little bit, and then this will maintain the revs going down the hills. Really nice feature. Super smooth on the descents there. Really nice steering angle as well that you're getting with the KM kit. Again, those CVD steering joints, which really increase the steering angle. Grass stuck on the roof there. This thing is awesome. I am a big fan of the V3. This is my first time using it, and yeah, completely different truck. This thing feels, honestly, this thing feels as smooth as some of the 110th crawlers that I have, if not smoother. Hey, here he comes. What a little looker. They've done a fantastic job as well with the C54 body. You see a nice route here, got a bit of water, not too deep. And we're going to dip our toes and head up to the tricky tree line. Just look how controlled that is. How slow, just letting the wheels do the work. Bit of traction issue there. Picked up on a route. There we go. And onto the tricky tree line. Tricky tree line. So I'm not currently running the weighted wheels that come with the KM kit. I'm running the foams that come with the V4 wheels, but there's still a nice bit of weight there from the metal axles. And yeah, the departure from the tricky tree line here is a bit waterlogged, so this is going to be pretty fun now. So just loving the control that you're getting on the descents as well with this V3. Slow and steady wins the race. Look how controlled that thing is dropping. Wow. Hanging on the edge there. Oh, amazing control. And through the bog, up to the next tree line. Yeah, you always got to plan your routes carefully with these little trucks. Find your way around the deep spots of water. So I'm going to be taking the edge of the swamp here. I'm going to work my way back in. So by here, test the steering angle, if we can get round in one. Most trucks have to do a 3-point turn to line up for this hill, but more than enough angle there. And we're going to see how slow and controlled we can creep up this hill. Oh wow. barely touching the throttle here, guys. And up goes the C54. I recently tested the C24-1 on this line. Got a hefty side slant and then some tricky climbs, then very wet and slippery. But fair play to these V4 tyres, they are putting down some pretty decent grip. Very tricky climb here. Oh wow. Didn't even phase the KM chassis there. These V3 electronics are a pleasure. So I'm just holding the throttle there. I'm not having to adjust it. I'm just holding the throttle in that position, and as you can see, it's matching the revs just to keep those wheels turning. Oh, and steady. So here we are, guys, at the final tree line. There wouldn't be a video on the trail without this tree line, and I'm confident that even though those roots and leaves are super slippery, I'm confident the wheels combined with the C24KM chassis are gonna make easy work of this. So I'm taking the best line to start with, but I've got a really nice aspect of control to do a really tricky adjustment there, and through she goes. Oh, it's been an absolute pleasure out on the trail today. I am very happy with the performance of this setup. WPL have nailed the budget format. You know, this isn't costing an arm and a leg, but as you can see, the performance, wow, the performance is amazing. There we go. So after some inactivity, I think about 10 seconds, then the engine cuts out. But yeah, there we have it, guys. The C54 with a C24KM chassis and the RES-VER electronics kit. Amazing little recipe. I'll leave the links for everything I've used in the description below, guys, so you can check those out for yourselves. Definitely recommend the RES-VER electronics kit. Honestly, what an awesome bit of kit that is. So yeah, as always, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.